Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Android's Find My Device feature. So, be ready to find a lost Android device. Be prepared in case you lose your phone or tablet or Wear OS watch. You can check that Find My Device can find it. If your device is already lost, learn how to find, lock, or erase it. So, ensure that your device can be found. To find, lock, and erase Android device, your device must be signed in to Google account. So make sure that you are signed in to Google account. Then if you go to settings, check that your location is on. So you need to toggle the location access. Then have Find My Device turned on. So if we type on the search button, Find My Device, so make sure that Find My Device is on. Then your location should be on. You'll just find it in the search bar again and make sure that is on. Then have Google Play installed. Then create a two-step verification backup code if you're not yet signed in and be connected to mobile data or Wi-Fi. So I have here Find My Device, and here you can see that I have my phone here, and you can see where my phone is located. If you play a sound, you can find your phone. You can also secure your device if you want to lock it. And you can also switch devices that is included in your accounts. So that's how you use your Find My Device on Android. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!